Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Hello kids. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Flowers have petals, which are like little wings. The center of a flower is where the pollen lives. Pollen helps flowers make seeds for new plants. Bees and butterflies love to visit flowers for their nectar. The sun helps flowers grow big and strong. Water is also important for flowers to drink. Red color. Some flowers grow on trees while others grow in the ground. Green color. Flowers can be red, yellow, blue, pink, and many more colors. Yellow color. We can plant flowers in gardens to make them pretty. Purple color. Flowers can be used to make perfumes and other scents. Orange color. Some flowers are even used in cooking, like edible roses. Green color. Flowers are a great way to brighten up a room or a space. Red color. We can give flowers to people we love. Flowers symbolize many things like love, beauty, and joy. Blue color. Flowers are a reminder of nature's beauty all around us. Yellow color. Learning about flowers can be a fun and interesting adventure. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.